Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're continuing on filling out the if blocks in the Skybox Blend Manager. Now in the previous video this is what we'd have done, and I've already gone through how this works, and for the next 3 blocks we just need to make sure that it can't go above or below a value within each if block, rather than just the singular here and here. So first things first, we'll come inside the miss state and we'll say if open brackets underscore the skybox blend value, and we'll say is less than 0.25f. We'll close brackets, we'll open, and we'll close. And we'll copy that little block and we'll paste it in again, and this time we'll say greater than, and we'll open up both those blocks there, and for the first one we'll copy it from the funder state, these 3 lines here. So we'll just copy those and we'll paste those in there. So if the skybox blend value is less than 0.25f, then we increase the blend value, and we just need to change this to 0.25f and again below. And that is that block actually completed. So let's put in some comments. And for this line we'll say if skybox blend value is less than 0.25f, then we do these 3 lines here, and we just need to copy this and we'll change it where it says 1 at the end of the line here and here. And if it's greater than 0.25f, and we'll put into the comments, so we'll say if skybox blend value is greater than 0.25f, then we want to decrease the skybox blend value, and I'll copy those 3 lines from the sunny state and we'll paste those in there, and we'll just bring the comments back into line, and we'll just copy and paste the 0.25f here and here, and that is the miss state done. So let's copy this block of code. We don't need the missed equals true, we just need the 2 if blocks inside, and we'll come to the Overcast. And I'm sure you've guessed what we're going to do. We're going to change it now, and for my Overcast I'm going to have a value of 75f. So 0.75f, and we'll just copy this and we'll paste it in here and here, and we'll keep going below here and finally here as well. We'll just tidy up the comments and then we'll change the comments where applicable. So we need to change each end of the line from 0.25f to 0.75. And you may find when you come to test the script you may want to use different values to what I'm using here. If you do, that's absolutely fine, as long as the value is in between 0 and 1. And finally we'll paste in the snow state as well. And for the snow state, I'm sure you've guessed, we're just going to use a value of 0.5f, and we'll just copy and paste that in all the way down. And for this block as well, we'll just keep going. Finally there, we'll tidy up the comments, and then we'll change them at the end of each line here again. And finally there. And we can save the script here. So we still have more optimization to do on this script, but this is the basics now. Let's look at the misstate. If we try and go below a value, or we are at a value at below 0.25f, we increase the blend value, and if we try and go over, we make it equal to exactly the same as these two states, and the same if it goes over or is over 0.25f, which case we decrease, and we just need to change it here as well, 0.25f and 0.25f again. And where are we? Here. And we'll just delete the point there. We'll just save that off again. So if we try and go below, or try and go above 0.25f, we decrease the blend value, and if we try and go below, then we make it equal to. And we'll tidy up the comments, and that's exactly the same for these two states. We just have different values. So as I said, we've got a little bit more code to get into this script for functionality and a little bit for optimization as well. But we're heading towards completion now, and we'll make sure the script is saved, and we'll leave it here for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.